Today I am reviewing the HP OMEN 45L gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to high-performance gaming desktops in 2025, the HP OMEN lineup continues to push boundaries. And the HP OMEN 45L gaming desktop is a perfect example of that ambition. Designed for gamers, creators, and power users alike, this machine combines cutting-edge hardware with thoughtful engineering to deliver a premium experience from top to bottom. Let's start with performance, because that's where this system truly shines. At the heart of the OMEN 45L sits the new Intel Core Ultra 7 265K processor. This isn't just a standard CPU upgrade. It represents Intel's next evolution in hybrid architecture, optimized not only for raw performance, but also for AI-driven workloads. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings, streaming simultaneously, or editing high-resolution video, this processor handles everything with impressive efficiency and speed. You'll notice smoother multitasking, faster rendering, and overall responsiveness that feels instant. Pair that with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, and you've got a system that's built for the future of gaming. Powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, this GPU introduces advanced AI features that elevate both gaming visuals and creative workflows. Ray tracing is more realistic than ever. DLSS technology boosts frame rates without sacrificing quality, and modern AAA titles run effortlessly at high resolutions. If you're aiming for 1440p or even 4K gaming, this setup is more than capable. Memory and storage are equally impressive. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, the system offers plenty of bandwidth for demanding applications and heavy multitasking. Whether you're running multiple programs, browser tabs, or creative software, you won't feel any slowdowns. The 1 TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and near-instant load speeds for games and applications. Everything from launching your system to loading large game worlds feels seamless. Now let's talk about design and cooling, two areas where the OMEN 45L really stands out. The chassis features a sleek tempered glass panel that showcases the internal components beautifully, making it a great choice for those who appreciate aesthetics as much as performance. But beyond looks, HP has focused heavily on practicality. The industry-standard form factor and toolless design make upgrades incredibly easy. Whether you want to add more storage, upgrade your GPU, or tweak cooling, you can do it without hassle. Speaking of cooling, the OMEN CRYO CHAMBER is one of the most innovative features here. This patented design separates the liquid cooling radiator from the main chamber, allowing it to pull in cooler external air. Combined with the 360mm liquid cooler, the system maintains excellent thermal performance even under heavy loads. That means lower temperatures, quieter operation, and more consistent performance during long gaming sessions. On the software side, the system runs on Windows 11 Pro, which brings a modern interface and productivity-focused features. Integrated with Microsoft Copilot, users get AI-assisted help for tasks like writing, searching, and organizing workflows. It's a subtle but powerful addition that enhances both gaming and productivity experiences. Audio is another highlight thanks to DTS X Ultra technology. This creates a spatial, 3D sound environment that makes games more immersive. You'll hear footsteps, environmental effects, and directional audio with impressive clarity, giving you a competitive edge in multiplayer titles and a richer experience in single-player games. Another feature worth mentioning is the OMEN Gaming Hub. This software gives you control over system performance, lighting, and optimization tools in one place. It's user-friendly and allows both beginners and advanced users to fine-tune their setup according to their needs. And in today's world, sustainability matters too. HP has taken steps to make this system more environmentally responsible by using recycled materials and energy-efficient certifications like Energy Star and EPAT Gold. It's a small but meaningful step toward greener computing. So, who is this PC for? If you're a serious gamer looking for top-tier performance, this machine checks every box. If you're a content creator working with video, 3D rendering, or streaming, it delivers the power you need. And if you're someone who wants a future-proof system that's easy to upgrade and built with premium components, the OMEN 45L is a strong contender. Of course, no system is perfect. High-end performance comes at a premium price, and for casual users, it might be overkill. But if you're investing in performance, longevity, and cutting-edge features, this desktop justifies its position in the high-end market. In conclusion, the HP OMEN 45L gaming desktop is more than just a gaming PC. It's a complete powerhouse built for modern computing demands. With its advanced CPU, next-gen GPU, innovative cooling, and user-friendly design, it stands out as one of the most capable and well-rounded desktops available in 2025. If you're looking to elevate your gaming or creative setup, this is definitely a system worth considering.